Dag meisjes en jongens. Mooie dag was het vandaag, hè? Maar op Butterfly Island schijnt de zon ook. En Jackie en Greg mogen mee naar Parrot Island. Dat is een onbewoond eiland en er leeft een heel speciale vogel. Maar je zal snel merken dat er iets niet pluis is op dat onbewoond eiland.
Dag.
Hey!
You promised the last time you were here. Remember, Max?
Gee, I don't know, Jackie. What's the big attraction about Parrot Island anyway?
Well, don't tell me you've forgotten. It's that bowerbird you told us about.
Ah, yeah, right. Well, look, you put your flying boots on while I have a quick cup of tea with your dad.
Oh, you mean you're going to take us now?
Is that all right, Charlie? It's your time. Well, I don't have to be at Ellis River till 4.
I'll make you a cup of tea. Come on, Greg. The sooner we'll make it, the quicker we'll drink it.
I could do with a bit of a rest today.
Rest? With those two? Good luck.
How did you find it in the first place?
It's deserted, so it's always been a favourite with the birds. I just stumbled over his bower. Didn't know what it was at first.
Will he still be there?
Yeah, unless he's been disturbed. He adds a little bit to his bower every year. There it is, Parrot Island.
Thanks, Max.
Buccaneer 1 to JK1. Over. Buccaneer 1 to JK1. Do you read me? Over. Hey, kids, don't go too far. I'll be with you in a jiffy. Buccaneer 1 to JK1. Do you read me? Over.
I'll get it. I think we better both go. JK1 in. JK1 to Buccaneer. Are you receiving me, Buccaneer 1? JK1 to Buccaneer. Come in, Buccaneer. Come in, Buccaneer. That's strange.
Problem?
No, I don't think so. It was just Max calling in.
Oh, he's probably fed up with the kids already.
So you do notice when they're not around,
Yeah,
don't you?
peace and quiet. Give us a hand, will you, Christy?
After she's finished helping me.
I could really learn to miss those two.
She'd be the only one.
So why does the bowerbird build its bower in the first place, Max?
Well, nobody really knows, Jackie. They do it in the mating season, so I guess it's to impress the right lady when she comes along. Now, listen, you two. I want you to stick close to me. This is an uninhabited island, and I don't want either of you wandering off and getting lost.
Let's go. Oh, come on.
Now, be very quiet. He's just up ahead. Come on. That's it over there, see?
Where?
Over there, in between the rocks.
See the path he's worn? He does a bit of a dance up and down through the barrow.
Typical Mal, showing off.
Hey,
Look at the stuff he's collected.
mostly man-made. Must have flown it all in there express from the mainland.
I hope so. I wouldn't like to think that he found this here on the island.
If anybody's shooting at the birds, I'll have a thing or two to say about it.
I'll bet you will. I think we better get going. Mr. Bowerbird might think we're trying to steal his treasure. You okay, Jackie? I think there might be another nest a little way up the hill here. Yeah. There was the last time I was here.
Deserted island. This hasn't even had a chance to get wet in the rain. Hey, come and look at this.
Oh. Where's your sister?
Back there. Jackie!
I hope she hasn't wandered off.
She'll be all right.
Help! Help! Greg! Max, help me.
Stop struggling.
No, what took you so long anyway?
Hang on to her, I'm going to cut her down. You got her?
Keep your feet still.
You got her?
Yeah, I got her.
Right. There. That's all right. We'll get you out. That's it. It's tangly, this. You okay?
Yeah, I think so. Thanks. I thought I was going to be stuck up there for life.
What is this thing?
It's a bird net.
What's it doing up in a place like this?
Smugglers. Bird smugglers.
Oh, how did you get caught up in it if it's so far up off the ground?
I was trying to set him free. Poor thing. All he wants to do is get out and fly home.
If the blokes that set up this net had their way, home would be a cage somewhere overseas.
We've got to set him free.
I know how you feel, Jackie, but right now I want to get the two of you out of here and pronto.
Oh, but he might die.
Look, these people are criminals. They may even be dangerous. Now, if they're on the island right now, they might have seen us land and know that we're here somewhere. If they're not, they may be back pretty soon, and I'm not taking any chances on them finding us. Come on. When we get back to the plane, I'll call the Ellis River Police.
Oh, no!
What is it?
Oh, what's wrong?
Looks like our friends have other ideas about me getting a message to Sergeant Connolly. We'd better get out of here while we still can.
I must have other ideas about that, too.
Yeah, right. Great.
What do we do now?
A crash course in radio repairs. Jackie, keep your eye out for any unwanted strangers. It'll only take us a jiffy to fix the radio. And listen, if we're not at Ellis River by 4, knowing your father, he'll come looking for us.
How's it going?
Ready for some maintenance, that's for sure. What I really need is some 6-inch gal cuphead bolts. Max is calling into Ellis River. They'd have some.
Anything I can do?
Yeah, get on the radio to him, tell him I want 6-inch gal cuphead.
Bolts.
A dozen.
12. Got it. JK1 to Buccaneer 1, over. JK1 in. Are you reading me, Buccaneer?
Well, where the devil's this one supposed to go?
Wouldn't it connect to the white terminal?
You mean there?
You don't know very much, do you?
I'm a pilot. I'm not an electronics whiz.
Come on, let me in there. I might be able to figure it out.
All right, all right. Jackie? Jackie? Jackie! Jackie!
You get him?
He wasn't answering. They're probably not back at the plane yet.
What time is it?
3:30, 3:45.
Well, that's funny. He should be in the air by now if he planned to be at Ellis River by 4.
Yeah.
Greg? She's gone.
What?
I've looked everywhere, but I can't find her. She's disappeared. I followed her footsteps to the edge of the beach. Then I lost them in the bush. Look, you stay here, and I'm going to go back and try and find her.
Yeah, but...
It'll be a lot more help if you fix that. Oh, and Greg, keep a sharp lookout, mate.